Welcome to the class of handwriting analysis. This is session 1. Hi, I'm ILYAS ZESHAN, graphologist. I congratulate you for signing up this course. The skills that you are going to learn in this class will make a positive impact on your life. Most likely, you will be using those skills for a long period of time, perhaps rest of your life. Before we begin to learn the laws of handwriting analysis, I would like to share with you the myths and the facts about handwriting analysis. What you see here, these are 10 questions. These 10 questions are being selected out of hundreds of questions. 90% of the people ask these questions in some shape or form. As a matter of fact, these are more than 10 questions because sometimes people ask segment of these questions. Let's start question number 1. What is handwriting analysis, or what is the definition of handwriting analysis? I'm going to give you very simple definition. When we analyze handwriting, we examine the peculiarities of the handwriting. As a result, we discover the inner personality of the writer. That's it. As simple as that. Now, the question is, what are those peculiarities? We are going to learn those peculiarities throughout this course. I'm going to be brief and to the point because we have to cover a lot of territory in a short period of time. Let's move to question number 2. Question number 2, what is the history of handwriting analysis? Handwriting analysis is the evolution of doodles. Prior to handwriting analysis, people used to analyze doodles. If someone makes a beautiful bird, flower, or human figure, people say, oh, this person must be nice, friendly, get along people well. Or if someone makes a ferocious animal, sharp objects, guns, knives, and arrows, or hunting scenes, people perceive him or interpret him, he must be angry, cruel, might be dangerous. What they found after that, people leave some kind of a symbol in their handwriting. In 17th century, there is a gentleman in Italy by the name Dr. Camillo Baldwin. Camillo Baldwin, he wrote very first book about handwriting analysis. He put his finding, his research work in the book. The book got very popular very quickly, and he became a celebrity instantly. His popularity went beyond the borders of Italy, especially France, Germany, and Switzerland. Nearly 200 years ago, handwriting analysis arrived in the United States. Now we have so many corporations, they use handwriting analysis. There are so many institutions they offer handwriting analysis courses, and they charge outrageous amount of money. They charge thousands of dollars for their courses and justifies saying that the benefit is way more than the cost of the course. Okay, let's go to question number 3. Next one. How much can handwriting analysis be trusted? How reliable and scientific is this subject is? This is a very valid question. Somehow or the other, everybody thinks along those lines. As a matter of fact, when I was starting out, that was my prime question. And I asked so many questions, give me some scientific proof, give me some answers, and believe it or not, I could not get the answer from anyone, from any book, from any expert to my satisfaction. And I was keep thinking, finally I come up with this solution. The best, I can give you hundreds of reasons, and you say, oh yeah, it's good. Let me tell you, the best thing would be just analyze your own handwriting. You are going to learn some laws of handwriting analysis. Apply those laws in your handwriting, and you will be the judge. And because you know yourself best, you know is it true or not. And when you apply first law of handwriting analysis in your handwriting, you say, yeah, that sounds right. Then the second one, you say, yeah, that's interesting. Then in your mind, you say, it might be a coincidence. And then you apply the third one, that will comes out true. Then you start wondering, oh, there might be something in there. And if you go 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and I'm telling you, if you have there is no such thing like 10 coincidences. So if every law works to your satisfaction, that will make you more convinced than all kind of reasoning and arguments. Okay, all right, great. Let's go to next question. Why does handwriting reveals a person's character? Why does handwriting reveals a person's character? As a matter of fact, any body movement, any gesture, facial expression, tone of voice, handshake, all characterize personality. Handwriting is also a body movement that requires hand movement, focus, concentration, and then draw the letter, so to speak, or write the word or sentence. So that's why handwriting analysis is very similar like a body language. Any body movement will say something. Now this is our job to figure it out what that action means. 5. What handwriting analysis can and cannot reveal about an individual? As a matter of fact, you can tell a great deal about a writer, an individual. However, there are few areas you cannot make a scientific claim about the writer. For example, you cannot make a prediction based on the handwriting. This is beyond the scope of handwriting analysis. You cannot say what is going to happen to this person tomorrow, next week, and down the road, few years from now. We cannot make that kind of a claim. However, we can make an assessment and prediction how a person will react in a given circumstances because we have a profile of that person. Another area we cannot make a scientific claim about the gender. Even though the masculine traits and the feminine traits are so obvious in the writing, but we cannot claim. The third one is the age. There are two types of age: physical age and the emotional or mental maturity age. Handwriting analysis deals with the emotional maturity. A person could be 25-year-old, but emotional maturity could be 35, and vice versa. So that's why we cannot make scientific claim about the age of a person. We can guess, but it's not a scientific claim. Okay, that's about it. Rest of the questions and we will cover in the next session. Thank you.